Analyst Keith Springer this morning as we take a look at the big board from yesterday. Well, yesterday we did great. Today we're up 25 points. What's moving the markets today, Keith?
You know, yesterday was all about Ben Bernanke just saying he's going to continue the stimulus, going to continue the quantitative easing. He's a big supporter of the bond buying, saying interest rates are going to be kept down from it. The housing market is going because of all the bond buying, keeping interest rates down. And that's really what we have. We have a continuation. We have a rally that the market and the economy he's going to keep pumping out free money. So that's the most important thing. So that's what investors are happy about these days.
The power of Ben Bernanke's mouth. It's an amazing thing, isn't it? We're going to be talking later on about how this is a seller's market in Northern California, Sacramento and Stockton in particular, seeing prices going up. But what do we know here of late about house prices?
You know, house prices for last year, 2012, rose the most they have since 2006. They were up over 7%. A lot of the bond buying, the purchases from the Fed are keeping interest rates down. This is what Ben Bernanke was hoping for. This is what he's hanging his hat on. And so housing prices have really been going up. We can see it in the Sacramento area. A lot of them, a lot of bids going up on houses. So prices have been rising a lot faster here in Sacramento, as a matter of fact, because we had a bigger drop over the last several years. So we're getting more of a catch-up on the way up, and housing prices are really pushing up.
Now let's talk a little bit about JP Morgan. I understand they're making some cuts.
Yeah, they're making some cuts, but they're hiring in different places. JP Morgan is automating. They want to get more towards automating tellers. They're going to lay off some of the people that were helping them in the mortgage division that were brought in just for the mortgage mess, where they had to figure out the robo signings and things like that. But they're also hiring more on the investment side. So they see more opportunity in the investment and banking side, a little bit less on the mortgage side now that the mess might be behind them. And automation is why technology has done so well over the last few years. These companies are hiring software, or buying software or machinery to replace workers, which is why the unemployment is rated so high, because obviously machines are cheaper and work more efficiently. That's why we're not seeing a lot of people go back to work as fast as we normally would have.
All right, Keith, I know you already know. We got some great questions from viewers. We're going to have you back next hour to answer those, and we appreciate your time.
Loving it.
Thank you, sir. And if you have any questions for Keith Springer, you can send them to money@fox40.com. You can also just call them up during the day. Pick up the phone. It's 916-925-8900.
Here's Sheldon Orvis in the Fox 40 Traffic Center.
Yeah, and a very